Welcome at forextrading.com. Let's talk about the most important things when you are coming up with entering in the market. So there are three things we're going to discuss in the future and three things you need to know that are most important and always will be taking place to look at them when you are entering the market, either way getting out from the market. The first big thing is the trend. Always we're going to go with the trend. Either way, it's a medium trend or it's a small trend or it's the smallest part of the trend going down and growing right now at this point looking at the 4-hour chart. So trend is crucial, it's most important, so we're gonna have to know the trend if we're gonna take the right direction by entering the market. The second, and the maybe also the same important thing, will be a price action. Price action, I mean by that the specific movement of recent prices, or at the same time we're looking at the chart, how the price really moves. I mean how aggressive it is. What kind of dynamics we see at this point. I mean how fast it is moving up, or what probability, what statistics are saying that we will gonna go up or will gonna go up down. And it is sometimes confusing, but we always figure that out using the trend. And the third most important thing is the support resistance line. When we know support resistance, we can combine those three things, I mean the trend, the price action at some point, and support resistance, to know if the price gonna hit the support and resistance and go down, or as well it can break out to the upside and go way up, going with some significant big or the biggest trend seen at euro dollar recent months. And those are three most important things you need to not to forget, and we gonna discuss them each thing separately, video after video. So in my videos and my training program, you will be focusing on most important things you see on plain chart without any special additional indicators and any other help that you can go with on the chart to make it happen, to help yourself. But when you know you don't need any help because the price action and the trend and the support resistance is really showing you everything you need to know, you can always take a look at some Fibonacci's or Elliott waves or whatever you need to know or like to see or like to use with those charts. Sometimes it can help, but it is not really necessary. So the trading I'm showing is the plain chart, and it is kind of professional way of thinking when you are talking about demand and supply. So we are talking about straight, plain, crystal clear economics driven each day market through different points with different probability. So we are talking about probability, we are talking about statistics. So we are trying to figure out what is the probability that market's going to hit this point and go down, or hit this point and break up through it, going higher and higher. And we're going to see the probability exactly more clear at this point when the market gets there, for example. Or if it's don't, or start to accelerate very fast, we're gonna take point probably to go short at this euro dollar, and we're gonna get to know this information with strict probability by knowing the simple things we are focusing at the chart without any more complex help. Thank you very much for listening.